Todoist Task Manager Honest Review Watch Before Using. In this video, we'll be diving into Todoist, one of the most popular task management apps. I'll give you a no-nonsense, honest review so you know exactly what you're getting into. Links to Todoist will be in the description, so feel free to check them out after this review. Todoist is designed for anyone looking to boost their productivity, whether you're a freelancer, a student, or someone trying to organize their personal life. The core feature is its clean, simple interface that allows you to quickly add tasks, set deadlines, and organize them by project or priority. You can also assign labels and filters to make your to-do list as organized as you need it. What sets Todoist apart is its flexibility. It supports both daily and recurring tasks, which is perfect for long-term planning. You can set up projects, collaborate with team members, and use task templates to get started faster. The app integrates with other popular tools like Google Calendar, Slack, and Amazon Alexa, making it a seamless addition to your existing workflow. One of its standout features is the Karma system. This is a built-in motivation tool that tracks your productivity trends and encourages you to stay on track. You get points for completing tasks, which gives you a little extra push to keep going. Todoist also offers a premium version that unlocks advanced features like reminders, themes, and additional filters. However, while Todoist is incredibly powerful, it may feel a bit overwhelming for someone who just wants a simple list manager. It's best suited for users who want a robust task manager that can scale with their needs. In conclusion, Todoist is a solid tool for anyone looking to organize their tasks effectively, but make sure you are ready to dive into its full potential. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to help others discover useful tools like this.